May naalala ko last week na similar ng gantong performance and yung gantong boses. Si Zoe, yung last time na kumanta rin na, sabi ko yung bata may tono yung kanta ng bata, hindi lang naikutan. So sana si Christina maikutan. Hello peeps and hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Another The Voice Kids blind audition na gagawa natin ng chika. And this time, ang performance naman ni Christina Holy ang gagawa natin ng chika. So before we continue this reaction video, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell and comment down there. So tingnan natin kung ano meron sa performance ni Christina. So let's go and go. Go Christina, The Voice Kids. Go. Ang cute. Okay. Paborito ng mga bata yan, yung kantang yan.
So young.
Totoo. Sa age niya na yan, in fairness, ang galing. Maganda boses. May tono siya kumanta.
Let's go.
May naalala ko last week na similar ng gantong performance and yung gantong boses. Si Zoe, yung last time na kumanta rin na, sabi ko yung bata may tono yung kanta ng bata, hindi lang naikutan. So sana si Christina maikutan. In fairness. May gusto patunayan si Baguette. In fairness, ang galing. Julie, ikot. Give mo ng chance, Julie, or Cristel, si Pablo, and si Billy. Bigyan niyo ng chance. Sayang. Ay! Humabol. Sabi ko nga, yung last time din si Zoe, nanghinayang din ako doon, wala umikot sa kanya. Sayang, nanghinayang ako doon sa chance na yon ni Zoe.
Umabot pa. Hello! Hi! How are you? Oh my gosh! I just followed my gut. She's so cute! Hi!
Buti may umikot.
She's a princess! She's a princess.
She's a fairy. The guy that sang before I sang, he's my brother.
Oh! Can I ask you something? What made you choose this song?
I wanted to choose this song that me being a singer. This is me being a singer, and this is me being proud of myself, and this is me being
Nice one.
grateful to that for my journey that I took.
Bright, brave.
Yes.
The whole family here. Oh, wow. Hi.
Ang galing. Matalino yung bata.
Yung kuya, si Ate Ocean, si Mami Johnny, si Tito Mark.
So, Mami, ano yung pakiramdam mo ngayon?
Masaya po, pero pressure din. Pero
Correct.
okay naman.
Mami, wag po kayo ma-pressure. Kasi sa tingin ko, yung mga anak nyo, tingnan nyo, yung mga anak nyo, sobrang mahal na mahal kayo kasi sumasali sila sa mga ganito kasi gusto kayong iahon sa kung saan man kayo ngayon.
And also, the reason why I sang here is because I wanted to win this contest because my dad is in America and he's been not coming back for a long time.
I just wanna
Oh,
say that
okay.
I'm proud, very proud of the both of you. You will always have each other.
And for Christian, please don't stop singing. Even though there's no one watching you. Believe in yourself. Christina, I just want to say that I love your heart. I love your confidence. I will do the very best I can to teach you what I know. And I will help you win this competition.
Yeah.
Mahahasa pa si Christina. Yung ganyan mga boss, bigla ako naiiyak. Yung mga ganyan bosses, raw. So maluluto pa ni Pablo ng bonggang-bongga yan.
Let's help each other and win this competition. All right?
Nice one. So, yun na. So, congratulations kay Christina kasi in the last few seconds, umikot si Pablo. So, nabigyan ka ng chance. So, congratulations. Yung mga ganyang bosses, andun pa sa, imo-mold pa, which is maganda. Matutulungan siya ng bonggang-bongga ni Pablo. So, congratulations and thank you so much for watching. Buti may umikot kay Christina. So, this is it. Bye!